welcome back to my channel, and it's Victoria Lovelace here. I hope you're good with everything that happened in the world right now. I know it's a lot of things that happen, but I'm happy to be back with a new video for you guys. And surprisingly, this video is gonna actually be an unboxing because I got a brand new box here from Red Coffin, and you guys have probably seen those videos before. And this is the box for April, and you guys should go to my videos because I did an amazing unboxing for the last March box, which it was kind of like a vampire blood theme box, and that one was amazing. That was these boxes, I'm over more excited what is gonna be in the April box. So let's open it. So it's always the package from Yin, and we are gonna see what this is. I don't know what the theme for this month's box is, but we have a little card here. And it looks like this, and it says what it is here, and interesting. So we are gonna see what is in this box. I'm not gonna show you yet because it says what it is here, but I'm gonna wait to open it because I'm gonna be more excited to see it. So we are gonna open this, and it's always so nice packaging as usual. So I feel like also to destroy it. And what can we see here? I already look here, and it feels very promising, this box too. So I'm gonna put this down and see what we have here. Oh, look at this! It's a sleeping mask, and actually I actually want that because it's always said, oh, when we are like traveling and like on an airplane, and this is so perfect for that because I actually don't have any. This is so cute from a cat. This is awesome. So it looks like this, yeah. And we are gonna see what is more in this box. Wow, what is this? Look at this. No way. This is so cute. Look at this pentagram. Wow. Oh, this one I'm gonna hang over the bed. This is so cute. No, this is awesome. I love this one. I'm gonna hang it on the wall here. I can't wait to do that. This is so nice. I love this. I love it so much. So let's see what we have more in this box. And here is it feels like it's a pin. It looks like this. Ooh, nice. It says hell. I am the one. I think this one is very cute too. And we are gonna see what is more in this box. So let's open this. It's interesting. In the Red Coffin, I have no idea what is in this little bag. What is this? It's kind of interesting. It's like, oh, I think it's those you have for for bathing. Those smells good. Oh, is this? I think it's soap. Otherwise, it's soaps, or it's like those bath bombs. I think it is. This also is very cute, and it's two more in this one too, so you can see there. Two more of those, and you can see what is in here. Oh, it's from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs, and as you guys remember, the last box from Red Coffin, I got an eyeshadow palette from Lunatic Cosmetic Labs, which was awesome, and it was so awesome. And I see here now is a lipstick. So we are gonna see what color it is. And see. everything here. Ooh, nice. Look at this. It's a nice, like, I'm gonna show you guys. It's kind of like a blue violet one. And it's, I'm gonna try it out here, and it looks, ooh, that's a nice color. It's really my type of color. This is awesome. Yeah, I like a blue violet color. That's awesome. So they always have come in so cute boxes as usual. Lunare Cosmetics is one of my favorite brands when it comes to makeup. The packaging are amazing, as I said. See what this is a moon, and I think this is actually a stone. Yes. And it looks like this. Cute. Like that. Ooh, yeah. So, very pretty, very nice. I think it's yeah, it's a healing stone. Nice. Let's see what we have more. Is there anything else to hiding in this box? I don't think so. It's a lollipop. Ooh, it's cute. I wonder how this one tastes. Let's see if there's anything else in this box. No, I don't think so. And if you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And what I want to say is actually I'm gonna team up with Red Coffin and have a giveaway for you guys. So you guys should go over to my Instagram. I'm gonna post all the updates about the giveaway with Red Coffin, that you guys can win your own Red Coffin. And you guys, you don't want to miss that. So flip to my Instagram. I have the link in the description. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.